Welcome to a whirlwind tour of object-oriented programming, or OOPS in Python. Imagine you're a chef. Your ingredients, they're your objects. Your recipes, they're your classes. In Python, everything is an object, from numbers to modules. You can create your own objects with classes, which are like blueprints. Consider a class as a blueprint for creating objects. It defines the properties and methods that an object can have. Next, we have instances. These are individual objects of a class. Think of them as cookies cut from the same cookie cutter, each with their own unique details. Inheritance allows us to create a new class using details of an existing class without modifying it, quite like a new recipe inspired from an old one. Encapsulation hides the internal details of an object like a well-wrapped present. Polymorphism lets us use the same method name for different types. Imagine using the same recipe for cookies and cakes, with slight tweaks of course. That's your crash course in Python's OOPS. Delicious, isn't it?